It's January 18th, 2025. Then I got a call from a lady. She got a problem with her furnace, making all kinds of noise and smelling like something's burning in the furnace. So sounds like the blower motor might have bound up or let loose or something with it. So I'm gonna go over there. It's definitely a furnace. It's got hot air, ductwork, hot air, and she got ductwork, and said it was running last night, making all kinds of noise.
Turn right on Chase Road.
So we'll try to get you some shots over there. It sounds to me like it might be a blower motor. Wait for the fan to kick in and we'll see what it does. Does he change these filters at all or no? Yeah, I really should change these filters. See these filters on the side?
Yeah. You just like take and pop them out?
Yeah, you take them out from here.
Are there different like sizes or it's just...
Yeah, you'd have to take it out and see what size is in there and get new ones.
Okay. Do they sell them at like...
Yeah, you could get them at Home Depot or Lowe's, you know.
Okay.
You'll have the size right on there.
Alright.
They look kind of dirty.
Yeah, I don't think they've ever been.
Should do them like every 6 months or so.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. There goes the fan. Yeah, it could be the bearings in the motor starting to go. It was definitely making a noise, huh?
Yeah. Could it be that little like square piece of paper or something? Because something did fall in one of the vents. See right there, there's a little square on the left. That did fall into the vents. I don't know if that...
Well, I mean, if there's paper in there, it might throw the balance off a little bit, but as far as how loud was it? Really?
It was really loud. Like,
really loud?
Yeah,
like screaming?
What is that? Yeah. Like it was...
It's probably the bearings in the motor. So did it? How long did the noise last for?
Like less than a minute. It was only when it first kicked on.
And then it went away?
Yep. Like you can hear it here. Just that, and then it stopped. And then it was fine. It was really only when it was
That's kind of odd. It's working now. I mean, I could check the capacitor.
if something was stuck in it and it like came out, like would that cause that?
The motor, that would either been the motor down there or the motor up here. One of the two, you know? It sounded like a bad bearing to me. Seems to be running pretty smooth, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, and when it kicked on, it didn't.
Let me check the capacitor on this thing and see what it is. The rating is on it. Don't give you a lot of room to work on these things, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Capacitor in here that's helps the motor to start.
Okay.
And if that's weak, well, I'm going to pull it out and oil the motor, okay?
Okay.
I think there's an oiler on there. If I see right, looks like there is an oiler. So we can pull it out and put some oil on it. And that would be easy enough to do. A couple of screws and pull this motor right out of here. Oil it, and then try that. Capacitor's still good. That's common. Should be able to just pull the whole thing out. I don't think you want to spend a lot of money on this thing. I wouldn't want to. It's an old unit.
Yeah. I don't know.
Maybe if we get some oil in the motor and get another year, a couple of years out of it.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. We've got a pretty good run out of it, though.
They're good for 25 years. You're probably at that limit.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Yeah, we moved in about like 12 years ago. I don't know how long.
Well, it's having like an whole car. I mean, you don't want to start spending $1,000 into a car that's only worth $500, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there's a flipping oiler on it. I can see it right there. And get some oil and we'll put some oil in it. Usually they don't have oilers.
No?
Not really. Not the new motors. Let's get some oil in that thing and try that.
Is this something we have to like fill up with oil?
No, I oil it. It'll be good now.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll give it some oil and... She's definitely not the cleanest girl in the world.
Yeah, I didn't really maintain it.
What is it?
I said I guess we haven't really been maintaining it. Is there anything else we should be doing besides the filters? For maintenance?
I think there's an inner bearing on that thing too, but I'm not sure. I don't really want to put a new motor in this thing for you. I mean, it's not going to be cheap.
Yeah. I mean...
Let me try oiling it.
Okay.
Well, you know, you go and put a new motor in the thing and the thing lasts for 6 months and dies. You're kind of throwing good money to bad into the thing.
Yeah.
You have to really be careful. Yeah, it's got an oiler in the back. I should be able to get oil in the back. It's got dust bunnies from hell. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you don't want to be spending a lot of money on this thing.
Yeah. I guess if we can try to just oil it and see.
If we can get by with a little oil.
Yeah.
Would be.
I love that.
I would shoot for. Most guys would be over here selling your new unit.
I know. So have you always worked for yourself?
Yeah, for the most part.
Yeah.
Nice. Some juice down in there. Some juice in there, and hope for the best.
Yeah.
I got some oil in there. You're lucky you had oilers.
Yeah.
Usually they don't have oilers.
Why, if they don't have that, then you can't,
well,
like,
some of the new ones, they don't have that. I mean, the old ones you were able to oil them, but
yeah,
the new ones not so much.
So you just have to replace it basically, if it didn't have the oiler.
Well, seeing the motor's still running. You gotta use a judgment call on this stuff, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of like, it's an older unit. Going to replace the motor. I mean, the motor's gonna probably be like $175.
Okay.
And then, what happens if the thing don't last on you? You kind of...
Yeah.
Getting some of these dust bunnies out of here.
Is there other maintenance we should be doing aside from the filters?
Well, yeah, changing the air filters.
Yeah, aside from that, is there anything else we should be doing in addition to that? Keep it clean.
Cleaning the burners and stuff. You know, the motor was running okay. I did start it. It did seem to be okay, but what happens is if those bearings are dry, you run it for a while, it could stop binding up.
Okay.
So I put some oil in there, give it some oil, and we'll try that.
Okay, that makes sense.
Before we we'll start spending all kinds of money in this old baby.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate it very much.
I'm sure you could spend the money on Christmas if you...
Yeah.
For something else, right?
Yep.
You want to look at the filters, see how bad they are? Oh yeah, look how bad they are.
Yeah, they've not. Wow.
You want to vacuum them?
Oh yeah, yeah. Just take them out. All right. Ooh, wow.
You know, vacuum them, get the sizes, vacuum them, put them back in for now, and you can get some new ones.
Okay.
But at least you could vacuum them.
Yeah.
Vacuum them with the spout. Look how dirty they are.
I know. Jesus.
Oh, we're in here, right? Better than it was, I'll tell you. A lot better than it was. Yeah, you definitely need new filters. There's no doubt about that. But
Yeah. So I got like big chunks of it out, but like there's a lot of it's like underneath it, and I have to like rip out all the like hairs in order to. I don't know if that.
well, I mean, at least it'll get you by for now, right?
Yeah. They like started to come up when I was vacuuming it, so I don't want to like pull.
I mean, he's got to get new filters. It ain't rocket science to go get them, right?
Yeah. No, we'll definitely get them. I just mean I was trying to.
Yeah.
Are these still like okay if the hairs are like coming out like that? Just for
I
now?
might have something in the truck. I'll have to look. But.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna get them today.
All right, we got some good oil. I blew the fan out, so I mean you got a decent chance of it surviving somewhat.
Yeah, definitely gonna replace these. Just the thought of that we've been great.
How bad are they? Oh, they're a lot better than they were.
Yeah, but still, this one was like bent too. Yeah. Was this like not the right size?
Did you get the sizes?
I didn't actually, no.
All right, 16 by 25. That's a common size.
Okay.
16 by 25 by 1. See, and they just go in like this. Right? And then they clicks in.
Okay.
See it?
Yep. Okay. This one was already like bent.
Yeah, because that one's not 16 by 25. It's probably bigger.
Okay.
So you just have to get the right size.
10 by 25 by 1.
Yeah.
Right?
See, this one was a little taller.
Oh, so that's why it was bent.
So
okay.
they bent it.
We did not do that. That looks like something that's probably been there forever. No idea.
I mean, better than what you had.
Yeah.
Wow. Some of the shit I blew out of there was pretty flipping bad.
Yeah.
See if I can get this thing in. Try to get this thing back together now. And
those filters were so bad. I can't believe they need to be done. You said every 6 months? Jeez, I'm like, now I don't even know.
Oh, the filters?
Yeah.
You see, you could take these filters out just by popping this out and pulling them out, okay?
Yep, okay.
The reinforcement goes towards the fan. See, there's reinforcement metal?
Okay.
It goes towards the fan, whatever's reinforced. That should pop right in place there. That. Removed an oil blower motor, cleaned and blew out with compressed air. So we'll give that some time and see what happens. Oh, Brian. It's all a little lot better.